Hello students, welcome back to my channel Learn Maths with Pranay. So in our previous videos we have learned about the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric formulas, trigonometric angles, various other things. So now in today's video we are going to learn some trigonometric problems. So we are going to take some problems and we are going to learn how to solve them using the formulas that we learned. So for reference of the problem, so we are going to take the textbook of standard 9 SSC part 2 and problem set 8, and it for your more reference it will be on page number 113 sum number 2. So we are going to solve that problem and another sum, okay, so that you will know how to solve the problems that will get in exams. And if you if you want to solve some problems that you don't know or that you find difficult in solving them, please note it, write it down in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve the problems and make a video on that.
Okay, so I've just written down the sum details. I'll reiterate. Okay, listen. So this is from the standard 9 SSC board maths part 2 problem set 8 page number 113 sum number 2. Okay, so I've just written down what is there in the sum. Okay, so there we give us a triangle, a right angle triangle PSU, where S is 90 degree, PS is 5 and SU is 2. And they have asked us to find out sine t, cos t, tan t, and cos u, sin u, tan. Okay. So first we are going to apply a Pythagoras theorem for this triangle to find out side PU, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, as you know, the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So in this case, the hypotenuse PU square equal to PS square plus SU square. Okay, so PS is 5 square plus SU is 12 square, which is equal to 25 plus 144, which is equal to 169. So PU square is 169. So taking square root on both the sides, okay, we get PU as 13. Square of 13 is 169 and other way around, square root of 169 is 3. So we will just write here as a 13. Okay, so now let's come back to our what we need to find out. We need to find out sine t. Okay, right. By definition, sine t is opposite upon hypo. Okay, so here I'm just using the shortcuts opposite side for and hypotenuse for hypo. Okay, so sine t. So with respect to t, the opposite side is SU and the hypotenuse is PU. Okay, which is equal to SU is 12 and PU is 13. Okay, so sine t is 12 upon 13. Similarly, cos t, which is equal to, the definition of cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so with respect to t, the adjacent side is PS and the hypotenuse is PU. So PS is 5 and PU is 13. Last we have is tan t, which is, okay, so if you remember, okay, so we have a tan by definition ratio is opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so opposite side with respect to t is SU and adjacent side with respect to t is PS, which is SU is 12 and PS is 5. Okay, so we have find out the value for sine t, cos t and tan t. Okay, so now we are going to find out this values, that is cos u, which is by definition cos is adjacent upon hypo, which is equal to, Okay, so here we have to we'll find out cos with respect to u. Okay, so with respect to u, adjacent side is su. Okay, with respect to u, adjacent side is su, and hypotenuse is same, that is tu. So su is 12 and tu is 13. Okay, six. After that we need to find out sine u, which is equal to, by definition, sine is opposite upon hypo, which is equal to, so with respect to u, opposite side is ts and hypotenuse is tu. So ts is 5 and tu is 13, and then the last is tan u. Okay, so by definition, tan is opposite upon adjacent, which is equal to, opposite side with respect to u is es, and adjacent side with respect to u is su. So ts is 5 and su is 12. Okay, so if you if you remember the formulas that we studied, if you remember the quotient identity, that is like tan is equal to sine upon cos. Okay, so for example, let's suppose for this tan t, okay, we use this quotient identity to find the value of tan t. So this will be sine t upon cos t. Okay, so sine t, the value of sine t is 12 upon 13 divided by cos t. So value of cos t is 5 upon 13. So this will get cancelled and you will be left with 12 upon 5. Okay, so if you can see, tan t 12 upon 2 and here also 12 upon 2. So if you derive it by using the formula by ratio, or you can use quotient identity to derive it. The answer is also going to be same. Similarly for tan u, if you use this quotient identity sine upon cos, you will also get the same answer. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.